Hey guys, I'm discussing about that very important topic about that YouTube channel views and earning increasing techniques. So what is the technique for that? So everyone creating for channel. So major call for so there will be people will be struggling for views and earning purpose. And nobody can give you the guarantee for subscribers. The subscriber will be earning will get that all depend on your content. So what are the content? So the content will be how we can approach the users. So the content, how we can help on the particular YouTubers getting for subscriber purpose. So subscribe is only dependent by your content. In this purpose, first of all, how you can promote your videos using for Pinterest for increasing the view purpose. So just I'm taking one video here. In this video, I am promoting using for Pinterest option. Pinterest will be give the strong backlinks. They did not charging for single rupee. So here I'm selecting this video title. When you copy this one, first of all, any title we can promoting where in this we can selecting for Notepad. Why? Because Pinterest each board they will be creating for only for 50 characters 50. How it? In this purpose, we have to install by the Pinterest toolbar. That is a Pinterest toolbar. That is called your browser extension button. If it is already installed, they're showing for remove from Chrome here. This compulsory you have to install. After install, which you are uploading any video, after video will be open, here toolbar will be open. In this account will be already accessed by here. Why? Because this channel will maintain for my website. What are the content will be, everything will be there. It will be there into blogs option and the video tutorial along with the description. So that is called my company will be promoting my channel Digital Rakesh. In this, how we can start the promotion? We can select in this video. First of all, what are the notepad you can copy the keyword. Just open this video, click for in the Pinterest toolbar. One video we can promoting for multiple title using for board option. In the purpose of in this title we can promoting for multiple keywords that each board will be nothing but your keyword option. So finally the keyword was created by the board option. This option will be here. In one video we can creating for n number of board, nothing but we can promoting for each and will be different keyword. So I'm using for same keyword. I can using for another keyword here. Just look at this. So I'm changing for title here. How do I create an Google Ads without a website? Copy this one. Same here option. Selecting for notepad option will be here. In this only we can selecting for less than 50 characters. More than 50 characters they can't create the board. Now we can click creating for number of board. I see your task will be not finished immediately. After creating board, your work will be there. I'll show that work also. Now I'm creating only for board option. Based on the keywords, what are the YouTube top rankers will be using that keywords? Is my showing my channel will be common. Here will be different. Anything will be here in this. How to run particular ad will be here. So what are the keywords will be using? Create a website for your ads. How can you AdWords without a website? So copy Pinterest symbol we can use, create a board option. This board will be finished for every option will be there. After that, so we have done by the in this URL, we have to wait. So one video we can promoting for 3 keywords. 1, 2, 3. Just click for edit the video. Here, copy this option. URL will be copying in this. And here will be click for secret personalization, everything will be done this option. Each board we can click for enable. What are the description will be there? You can add here and the particular link will be adding for in the YouTube option. We can, one more option is there. We can add by the channel information also, like we'll be using for, in this option will be used. That option all into the Pinterest option. Once we have to create it, just copy the symbol. We can writing for like this also. So here benefit is called, in a description also we'll be promoting for our YouTube backlinks. What are the benefit? We can generating for backlink, first option. Second, you generating for referral traffic. And third one will increase your YouTube channel views and particular earnings. Where people will be searching this option. In this particular linking, they're showing for number of website. Once index will be done, they're showing for Pinterest on this a particular option. This all will be complete. We have to follow this one. So here, in this all will be copied in this. Promote your small change business with the Google AdWords without website. So we can use this option. We can checking for compulsory 50 characters is a 58. So we have to check in this option. So 51. So what are the changes are will be here? We can change your option. So here, copy this option will be here. Check this and color theme for Pinterest. Create a board and publish it. Board was done. Same keyword will select it. Where you can add in for, go to your particular description. Description adding for complete word. Why? Because title will be using shortcut, but description using for long. In this, we can promoting for your total channel link and website link on your description part. Done. So this is a way we can each promote your particular video with multiple keywords that all will be compared to the board option. That mean by you can promote your one video for multiple board option. This is a Pinterest will be help. Lot of people is don't know about that, how we can use a Pinterest. For each video, we can number of keyword will be search, relevant keywords, how the people will be search. We can think and create the board and promote using for Pinterest option. Use this method, increasing the views and traffic based on the Pinterest, backlinks and referral traffic. This all will be supporting for a Pinterest website. This will be using for website purpose, YouTube purpose and particular blogger purpose. The main reason of increasing for views and earnings and particular people will be like your content, increase your subscribers. So don't forget this option. Use Pinterest every YouTubers, increase our views and earning the option. These are the method we can follow, increase our views on the YouTubes. If any doubts about Pinterest, please reply me and comment me. I'll definitely will be support how we can creating for Pinterest account. How we'll be creating for successful be create the playlist of the buttons on your Pinterest, increase the views. You can follow my video. Any regarding YouTube, please comment me. I'll make the videos. I suggest to your channel what is the major mistakes. Please contact to my channel option. If any further request, you can send mail. I'll reply for your particular mail option into the mail address also. Thank you. Thank you for watching.